You think your knee popping and clicking is just getting older. It isn't. It is the sound of your cartilage grinding because your stabilizer muscles have died. We are going to test if you are on the fast track to a knee replacement right now. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold on to it. Lift your left foot off the floor. Now slowly bend your right knee and lower your body 2 inches. Freeze right there. Look down at your knee. 3, 2, 1. If your knee is violently shaking, or if it caved inward toward your other leg, your stabilizers are failing. Your patella is tracking incorrectly, and you are grinding bone on bone with every step. You must rebuild the muscles around the joint. Click the link in my bio to download the free 7-day independence protocol to start safely restoring your knee stability today.